Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 60, the big 60 of the New England farmhouse renovation. It's been 4 days since I last posted, and the last time we were here, we were able to walk up the stairs that have been freshly built. Well, now they've been freshly painted and stained, and so this was a multi-day process. We first started by priming all of the wood on our shiplap there, and then it's got its final coat yesterday, and then we got the stain in. And as you can see, it's pretty close to the same treatment as we have on the floor. We knew it was a different style of wood, so it was going to come out a little bit different, but it still has that weathered look, and that's what we're looking for. Now this is just the first coat. This stain is drying. It takes 12 hours to dry, and then it's going to get its finished coat. And that's going to be a floor finish. The same floor finish we have on the floor is going to go on the stairs, and then we're going to be able to go up and down, and we're not going to have to worry about them getting all beat up. But while we were able to get upstairs, and I'm just going to point you up here, take a look. I brought all of the drywall up there so that I could keep going and get the drywall and the wall, the closet in Aiden's room, the closet in the hallway, the ceiling inside the bathroom, and the linen closet inside the bathroom. I got them all drywalled, and we're at our second coat of plaster. So things are moving right along. Also, when it came to plaster, we had to take and we had to finish and complete this soffit all the way around. And so that's on its third coat of plaster. That's going to get some great paint once everything is said and done. Wow! So definitely a lot going on, and we've been burning the candle at both ends. In fact, Liz is over in the barn right now, and she's painting the spindles that are going to go on here. So we left the shiplap off the front of it, and the spindle design that we have, I'm going to throw you up a very quick picture here so you can take a look at it. The spindles are going to go all the way down, and so we're going to do newel posts basically at every turn, and then we're going to do two different styles of spindles. We're going to do a thicker and a thinner spindle, and the thicker spindle is going to go at every step, and then it's going to be thinner spindles in between. Now this was a design that Liz had kind of seen a little something on the internet, and she sent it to me, and I said, yeah, that's definitely something we can do. But I had to go and I had to make all of the spindles myself. And so while we're at it and we're making all that stuff ourselves, I said, well, let me make these newel posts myself. Let me make the handrail myself. Because a lot of the stuff that you can get out of the big box stores, it's pretty standard, but it's expensive. And so when we're dealing with something that's really kind of this rustic staircase, well, we weren't really interested in having things that refined. I mean, it's going to look nice, it's going to be white, it's going to have the dark railing, and in this case, we're going to use just the straight up Spanish oak. So it's going to be dark black, like the accents that we have on the handles and everything else, and so that's going to tie everything together, and you're going to see what that stain treatment looks like without the whitewash that's on it. So, definitely been busy, a lot going on. In fact, we're just going to step into the living room here because I had told you that come day number 50, I was probably going to start living out of the house. And I practically am. I have my computer here, and a lot of the reasons that that needs to be here along with the printer is because there's a lot of CAD work that goes on. And so I've got my computer here, so I'll be actually uploading. We've got internet now, and things are just moving right along. A little too fast. I think we got to slow it down, but we definitely have to be in here by the 15th of June. So the middle of June, that's it. We have got to be in here. No more excuses, no more buts, no more nothing. And that's our goal right now, is by the 15th of June. I'm happy to be in here a little bit earlier, but I can't be here any later than the 15th of June. So that's where we're at. I also want to give a shout out to everybody who's been giving me a hard time about the fact that I just wear beer shirts. So I've got a new shirt today. It's Unapologetically Me. If you want to know what this is all about, check me out on Instagram. That's just Garrett LaFrance on Instagram. And then you can see what Unapologetically Me is all about. But, you know, don't apologize for who you are. That's basically how it works. And that's it, day number 60. We're going to keep going. We're going to show you a little bit more, and the next thing you're going to see are all these spindles coming up, and then the front shiplap going on. And then once I get this all clear coated and we can get upstairs, I'll show you what it looks like upstairs, because you guys really haven't seen that, and that's basically because we've been using a ladder. And if everybody's liking the video quality right now, and if everybody's liking the audio, that's because the GoPro is back, baby, and we're really excited about that. So check us out. I'm going to say tomorrow, but let's just say check us out on the next one. All right, bye.